a 19mm socket, let's go ahead and remove our lug nuts. Now let's go ahead and remove our wheel and set it aside. Using a 15mm deep socket, we're going to go ahead and remove our Swivel end link nut, securing that to the strut. The shaft here for our Swivel end link stud is spinning, so we're going to put our 14mm wrench on the back side and then loosen. On our lower link, we're going to use our 14mm wrench on the inside of the Swivel end link and a 18mm swivel socket with extension on the nut side. Go ahead and remove the link. Go ahead and line up your link. I'm going to go ahead and get one of the nuts started on here. I'm going to try and get the upper portion of our link lined up on our strut. Get that fed up into place. Let's get the nut started on that one as well. Using our 16mm wrench, we're going to go ahead and capture the lower portion of this end link here. Then we use a 16mm swivel and extension to tighten up the nut. Use our 16mm thin wrench on the back side and our 16mm socket on the front. Let's tighten down our Swivel link nuts to 37 foot-pounds. And repeat for the lower. Let's go ahead and install your wheel. Go ahead and get your lug nuts installed by hand, and then we'll go ahead and snug them all down. Torque your lug nuts down to 100 foot-pounds.